I'm just trying to smoke my dog. Watch anime, yeah. Pull up in that candy paint. I'm switching lanes, yeah. Yellow gold all on my chain. Like
hey, you sexy mother effers. Today, we're gonna be doing a little modifications to the Lexus. I gotta find this air filter though. I looked it up, it was on Marty Motoring, I think his name is. You can do like a little free, that and I just need a new air filter for my car. So, we're gonna figure that out. And yeah, I just gotta find this filter now. I don't even have a freaking filter here, so we gotta go to AutoZone. Is it on? Oh. Well, we're at AutoZone, so we're gonna hurry up and see if they got our filter, and then we're gonna go do this filter mod because, I mean, it's not for power or anything, it's just, like I said, I needed a new air filter, so might as well do the mod and let my engine not, I guarantee you this filter that's in here now is probably really disgusting, so let's go do that. Now we gotta find a whole new, because they don't have RAM here, so we gotta find a whole new one. So, I'll be right back, I have to read this book. Hey, so we got the oil filter. I mean, why do I say oil filter? It's not an oil filter. Looks clean to me, so let's go buy it and then it's time to do the mods. Read online, if you come in on Sundays, everything's free. So, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Can I come work with you?
Yeah.
2044.
2044. Do you know them? So,
and I'm wanted. You can't take pictures.
Right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Alright, come on. You crazy gals. So everybody has their seatbelts on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Do it. Do it to him. I did it to him. I did it to him dirty.
You can't do a turkey.
Yeah, worky turkey. Slurpees. Ew, my spit just came out of my mouth.
Get turkey. I'm moving like a titty. What does litty like a titty mean?
It means you're so feeling good.
Does it actually?
Yeah, it means like you're feeling great.
I'm a freaking titty.
No, not you being a titty does not mean that you're litty. You have to say you're litty like a titty.
I'm litty like a titty.
We gotta get out of here. Let's go.
Hop in.
Hurry up. Hop in.
Let's go.
Run.
Oh, sh**.
Running away.
Real?
Oh, shit.
Running away from the security. I'm out of here. Hold on to your try and catch me now, you son of a biscuit.
Boys, what you gonna do when they come for you?
Bad boys!
Alright, so we just gotta remove these. I already have the stuff removed for easy access. Dang, it's dirty under here. We're gonna have to do an engine bay cleaning video or something. So release these clips, release this clip, and let's see underneath here. Actually, no, we're gonna take this stuff off first. So let me go grab my tools. BRB, see you in a while. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm doing here. So we're gonna loosen this up to the intake. Not the right size. Okay, let's try this. Be right back in a while. Be back in a while. I need to go get some more tools. So that's what I do. I didn't say grab. I said grab the bag with the filter in it. She comes out with the whole tool bag. What a freaking. But I'm just gonna replace the filter because this one obviously is probably dirty. So we're gonna check this out real quick. Get in here for a quick look. This is really, look how nasty this is. This is really disgusting. This is I don't know. Definitely needed to be cleaned. But next video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the airbox mod. Just for now. I mean, look at the difference. This needed clean. So Lucy's gonna get some nice fresh air in that engine. Lucy. But for now, no airbox mod. This is super simple, keeping up with your cars. Get in there. Get in there. So you just put these all down and then good to go. Now we got some nice air that's gonna be sucked in from Lucy. And then a future airbox mod coming soon to theaters.
Welcome back to my car.
Hey guys, welcome back to my car. So we're just gonna pull this stuff back.
Hey guys, welcome back
Call it
to
a
my
day.
movie.
That's pretty much it, guys. So I don't know, I thought this was gonna be different, but I don't have any tools. So we're gonna give you guys some content anyway. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Oh yeah, subscribe. Zoe says subscribe. So you know what I'm saying? You always gotta subscribe. A lot more car stuff's gonna be coming here soon. I wanna get a new front lip for the car. I wanna lower it some. And then I might just do an actual like cold air intake or something. But for now, we're doing little things here and there. But comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm just tryna smoke my dog, watch anime, yeah. Pull up in that candy paint, I'm switching lanes, yeah. Yellow gold all on my chain, look like lemonade, yeah. Pull up with some anti girls, the Raising Canes, ooh. All I rock is